In this video, we'll go over Chainlink. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Chainlink? Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors, and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Chainlink is one of the first networks to allow the integration of off-chain data into smart contracts. With many trusted partners, Chainlink is one of the major players in the data processing field. Due to the integration of off-chain data, Chainlink has attracted the attention of numerous trusted data providers, including Brave New Coin, Alpha Vantage, and Huobi. Data providers can sell access to data directly to Chainlink, thus monetizing the information they have. As a decentralized network, Chainlink allows users to become node operators and earn revenue by running critical data infrastructure required for blockchain success. Chainlink uses a large collection of node operators to collectively power a wide range of decentralized price feed Oracle networks, live in production, which currently secure billions in value for leading DeFi applications like Synthetix, Aave, Compound, and more. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $25 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.